listen, I wanted to show you guys this. I ordered some stickers and some magnets. So these are the stickers right here. Madam Vice President, and I just did like a little illustration. And then these are the magnets, and it just says I'm speaking. So I'm gonna open these up so I can show you. And they're already on my Etsy account, like you can buy it. It was just for pre-order, just in case you wanted to get them to have like your grabs before they came in. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures and put them in the store. But they have come in now, so I'm happy. So quick haul really fast. I want to show what I got from Whole Foods because I want to do like a cleanse in a few days. So I didn't get everything out of the refrigerator, but I got 2 things of hummus, and I always get this same kind. It's the roasted red pepper. I love it. I'm scared to try other kind only because I don't want to get too many and then not like it. So I know that I like the roasted red pepper, so I pretty much get this every single time. I got 2 things of the guac, and the first one is halfway, like I'm already halfway through it because I eat avocado toast a lot in the mornings. That's mostly what I eat for breakfast. And I got some baby kale. This is so good. I like this. I think it has a different taste than just the regular kale. I'm not sure if everybody feels that way, but this, I love the baby kale, I think, more than regular kale, but I do eat both. And whenever I make this with a salad, I don't really have to put that much on it. I can eat this with like some dressing and maybe like some olives and some avocado, but pretty much I can eat this by itself. It's really good. I got some boxed water. I don't think I've tried this brand before, so I got this just to try it. And then I got some sparkling water, of course. The mineral water is really good. I don't know what I'm saying. I also got some kombucha, and I got the ginger and lemon kind. I normally get, I think it's Kavita. I think that's the brand. So I bought this before, but then I think it expired and I didn't get a chance to taste this brand, so I got it again. And so hopefully that tastes good. I love ginger and I like lemon, so I'm thinking that's like a good combination. So moving along to the juices that I got, I do want to do a juice cleanse. I think it was before I had my daughter, I did a juice cleanse for like 7 days, and I lost over 10 pounds, and I was able to keep the weight off and everything. So I want to try something like that again, kind of ease my way into it though. Maybe not do just liquid for 7 days right off the bat. I might do juice and then maybe eat a salad. You're not supposed to eat anything, but like if you feel like you need to eat, they want you to eat something really light. So the juice that I got, this one is a citrus refresh. So it has oranges, apples, grapefruit, ginger, and lemons in it. And then I got an urban green, has apples, cucumbers, celery, kale, cilantro, and limes in it. And then these are like the same, so I just stacked them up. So I got 2 of the Rise and Shine, which is apples, pineapples, grapes, mangoes, and ginger. The Mommy Boost is apples, carrots, beets, ginger, limes, and spinach. And then I got a big one of this one. I would have got a big one of the other ones too, but I only saw this one there. So next time I'm going to ask to see if they have their big one of all of them, because that would be perfect. And this one is the super juice, and it just has, okay, focus, apples, carrots, beets, spinach, lemons, and turmeric in it, so a little spice. And then this one is the green lemonade, and it has apples, cucumbers, spinach, kale, and lemons in it. So like I have enough for a week if I wanted to go ahead and do it now, but it would be really slim. One meal would definitely have to be a salad, because I wouldn't be able to, unless 1, 2, 3 days if I did breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But I feel like if I'm doing liquid, then I'm probably gonna want a little bit more than just 3 of these a day. Forgot to show this fruit bowl. My daughter can run through this within 2 days. Kiwi, blueberries, strawberries, cantaloupe, green apples, grapes, and pineapples, and maybe something else. Alright, so I was showing you before my process when I'm packing an order, but so you know everything is on back order because of the holidays. So my sister actually gave me some photo paper so that I can print on it. I have been printing out my own cards for right now so I can get some more in. So I'm just gonna put the stickers that the customer order in this craft envelope and then kind of seal it up and just show you what she ordered. It is a struggle trying to get all of this stuff cut down, especially when you want things to be perfect. But I added in these little thank you cards. And also, guys, if you order something from someone, make sure to leave a review or to share their work if you buy something, because it's something that you can do that is free, but it helps us out so much. So what I have on my thank you cards is that if you leave a review on my Etsy account, then you get like a free download, whether it's like a digital calendar, or it could be some stickers that you can use on the internet, like on Instagram, or for a digital planner. And sometimes I even put like cards that you can print out, because I know not everybody does digital planning, but I always try to give back if you help me, because you know we all got to help each other out. So this customer actually just ordered the Get It Girl sticker, but of course I added in a free one because she only ordered one thing, and I always feel like I should give something if somebody supports me. So this is what I did for her. And then I'm just gonna write on the front of it. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to show you what I write on the front, only because I don't want her address to show. So this is kind of my on-the-go bag that I use, because sometimes a customer might order something, and instead of waiting until the date that it's supposed to ship, I like to get it out kind of quickly. So if I have my bag with me, it's easier for me to tape stuff down, write the address down, and just get it to ship out that same day. So not only because of the coronavirus, but I'm always just kind of like a germaphobe, I guess you can call it. So I don't lick my envelopes. I kind of just tape on top of the tape to make sure it's like the extra stickiness, and then I just fold it down. I don't know, I just feel like it's nasty to be licking stuff like that, especially when you send it to somebody that you don't know, like it's not a family member, which honestly that's kind of nasty too. So yeah, I just tape it down with the little glue stick, and then it's good to go. So we're ending the night on a note of just like relaxation. So we went to get a coffee from Starbucks, and I think this is going to be the end of the vlog. Thank you. Thank you. So I just treated myself to some pumpkin bread, and then I got an iced coffee. It's like a TikTok drink. I'll show you right here. And then I ordered some cake pops for the kids. So that's the end for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you keep up with the rest of this month's Vlogmas. Good night.